cube cos c minus a plus c cube cos a minus b is equals to 3abc. We need to show it. Okay. First of all, you just consider the first term and then try to simplify it. Further, you just generalize it for the remaining. Okay. Our task is prove that. Okay. Yeah. First of all, you just take that a cube cos b minus c. So if you think about that a cube cos b minus c, what I do is I will separate a square a into cos b minus c, and then a square into this a is just nothing but 2r sin a from sine rule. A square into 2r sin a into cos b minus c. And in the next step, what you say about a? See, we know that a plus b plus c is equals to 180. Usually we are in a triangle. And a is equals to 180 degrees minus of b plus c. And since a is equals to 180 degrees minus of b plus c, you just apply sine on both sides. Sin a is equals to sine of 180 degrees minus of b plus c. And sin a is equals to sine of 180 minus of b plus c is nothing but which is sine of b plus c. So since a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees, sin a is equals to sine of b plus c. So here sin a is there and I replace that sin a with this sine of b plus c. So at the end, just I am simplifying only this a cube cos b minus c. In similar manner, there is a chance to simplify the other parts again. Okay. So the first part I am just simplifying, and the next step it is a square into 2r into, I will rewrite this sin a as sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c. Okay. And then what we need to do in the next step? So a square 2r sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c. You just separate r, you will get that r a square. R a square into 2 sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c. Just think about this 2 sine of b plus c into cos b minus c. How to rewrite it? Okay, you just see we have different formulas actually in trigonometry, and among those one thing is this. What you say about sin 2b plus sin 2c? Sin 2b plus sin 2c is nothing but 2 sine of 2b plus 2c by 2 into cos of 2b minus 2c by 2. Just sin 2b plus sin 2c. Just by using sin c plus sin d formula. And this is equals to 2 sine of 2b plus 2c by 2 is nothing but b plus c. And cos of 2b minus 2c by 2 is just nothing but b minus c. This is another logic, and already we use this logic. So here 2 sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c. We just rewrite this 2 sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c as sin 2b plus sin 2c in the next step. So this is equals to, which is r a square into sine of 2b plus sine of 2c. Just have a look once again. So here we are using two logics, sin a, and we rewrite it as sine of b plus c, and 2 sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c as sin 2b plus sin 2c. So this is the simplification of the first term of the left side, a cube cos b minus c. At the end we have it as r a square sin 2b plus sin 2c. Okay, this is all actually not required for the problem. This is just a recapitulation of the previous concepts. Okay, we don't need all these things. Just think about once again the first term. Here it is a cube cos b minus c. So a cube is simply a square into a cos b minus c. Okay, and this a by sine rule 2r sin a cos b minus c, and this sin a we have a chance to write this sin a as sine of b plus c. Why? Because a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. So a is 180 minus of b plus c, sin a is sine of b plus c, and then sine of b plus c into cos of b minus c along with this 2 will become sin 2b plus sin 2c. So this is the simplification of the first part. We have a chance to simplify the second term and third term again in the same manner, and now You just think about the left side. You just start with the left side now and then try to prove the right side part. And the left side is what we have three terms. The first term at the end we have this, what it is, r a square of sine 2b plus sine 2c plus what is the second term, b cube cos of c minus a, and if you simplify it you will get that r a square of sine 2c plus sine 2a plus the third term c cube cos of a minus b. Just you simplify in such a manner you have that r c square of sine 2a plus sine 2b. At the end this is the simplification. Now since we are adding these three, r a square is a common thing, and in the bracket if you consider these three terms there are 2 sine 2a's, 2 sine 2b's, 2 sine 2a's. So we have there is a chance to write 2 sine 2a plus, or otherwise I will write that 2 also out. Okay. See, r a square is a common thing. Your choice. 2 sine 2a plus 2 sine 2b plus 2 sine 2c. Okay. And next what we need to do? r a square into 2 sine 2a, 2 sine 2b, 2 sine 2c. We will write that 2 out. So 2r a square of, how to simplify? Sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Okay. Sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Just a minute. Okay. I did some mistake here actually. Just have a look. Just look there, okay. So here I have r a square sine 2b plus sine 2c, and this sine 2b is 2 sine b cos b, and this sine 2c is 2 sine c cos c, sine 2 theta formula. And in the next step you just send this r inside again. A square is out. If r goes in, then it becomes 2r sine b cos b plus 2r sine c cos c. And now a square is just out, and now here in the bracket 2r sine b is b by sine rule, b cos b, and 2r sine c is c and c cos c. Just have a screenshot till now, okay. Just we simplified the first term a cube cos b minus c, and its simplification part is a square of b cos b plus c cos c. Now in the same way we need to write the second and third terms, and then we need to simplify. Okay, I am erasing this. A square of b cos b plus c cos b. You just memorize it. Okay, the first term a cube cos b minus c. If you simplify, you will get that a square of b cos b plus c cos c. This is the simplification of the first term. Similarly, if you simplify the second term, we will get that b square of b cos b plus c cos c. Here you will get that a cos a plus c cos c. And now if you simplify the third term, here you will get that c square of a cos a plus b cos b. Okay, just look there. First term, second term, third term. And now what you say about the left side? Left side is the sum of these three. So multiply with a square. You will get that a square b cos b plus a square c cos c plus b square a cos a plus b square c cos c plus c square a cos a plus c square b cos b. Okay, if you multiply everything and then on adding. And now till there is some work here we need to do. Here it is a square b cos b. Okay, so I have a chance to common out ab, and here it is b square a cos a, and then this is a square c cos c, and then this is c square a cos a, and two remaining terms here. So see, think about the terms which I underlined here, a square b and b square a. You just common out ab. In the bracket you left with ab is out, you have a cos b plus b cos a, plus now you just observe these two terms which I marked with a tick. Okay, in these two terms you just common out ac, you left with A cos C plus C cos A plus the remaining two terms, if you common out BC, you left with B cos C plus C cos B. And now this is equals to AB into this A cos B plus B cos A is nothing but by projection rule, which is C, projection rule, plus AC into, and that A cos C plus C cos A is B by projection rule, BC into that B cos C plus C cos B is A by projection rule. Here it is ABC, ABC and ABC. At the end, which is 3ABC, there ends the problem. Okay, the problem is somewhat logical and it is required to do once. Okay, just have a look.